Hello kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, lesson number 12, weather and climate. Weather and climate. In this lesson we shall study weather and climate, seasons, effects of weather and seasons on our life. Okay? In this lesson we are going to learn all these points. So, look outside in the window. How does the sky look to you? Is it bright blue? Look outside the window. Does the sky look to you? Is it bright blue? Sometimes it is a hot and sunny day. Sometimes a cold and gloomy one. Some days are rainy and some are windy. All this is a result of many changes going on in the atmosphere. Sometimes it is a hot sunny day, okay, and sometimes a cloudy gloomy one. Some days are rainy and some are windy. Some days are cloudy. All this is a result of changes going on in the atmosphere. The blanket of air that covers the earth. Atmosphere means the blanket of air that covers the earth. Understood, no kids? What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the blanket of air that covers the earth and is called the weather. Weather can be referred to as the atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. Weather is not constant. It may be changed every day or after every few days. Weather changes affects all living things, plants and animals. Weather can be referred to as the atmospheric conditions of a particular place at a particular time. Weather is not constant. It may change every day or affect every few days. Weather changes affect all living things, plants, animals, insects, birds, all living things. Weather changes affect on all living things. Do you know? Weather forecast tell us how the weather is going to be in the next few days. Do you know, kids? Weather forecast tell us how the weather is going to be in the next few days. Weather is going to be in the next few days. Weather changes are caused by the sun, wind, cloud and rain. Let us learn a little more about how this happens. Weather changes are caused by sun, wind, clouds and rain. So let us see how is this happen. Now, the sun. How sun causes to change the weather? We receive heat, sunlight and sun. We receive heat, sunlight, light from the sun in early morning and evening. The sun is low in the sky and the rays are slanting. As it rises in the sky, the sun rays get more direct and intense. That is why early morning and evening are cool, whereas it is quite warm during the day and especially at noon. We receive heat and light from the sun. Okay, in the early morning and evening time, the sun is low in the sky. So, its rays are slanting. As it rises in the sky, the sun rays get more direct and intense, so we feel very hot at noon time. That's why early morning and evening are cool, where it is quite warm during the day, especially at noon time. Understood, no kids? So, next, see wind. How wind affect on weather? Air is all around us. Moving air, wind is called breeze. When it is a gentle and pleasant, while strong wind are called a storm. Storms are very powerful and often cause a lots of damage to life and property. They uproot trees, blow away roofs of houses, and bring life to a standstill. Hot wind called Loo blow in the summer in the North India and are extremely difficult to bear. Cold and chilly winds blow during the winter and also cause a lot of trouble, especially in the snow areas. What is wind? Air. Air is all around us. Moving air or wind is called breeze. We feel air, but we can't see the air. We feel only air. Moving air or wind is called breeze. When it is a gentle or pleasant, while strong wind are called the storm. Storms are very powerful and often causes a lot of damages to life and property. They uproot trees, blow away roofs of houses, and bring life to a standstill. Hot winds are called Loo, blow in summer in the North India, and extremely difficult to bear. Cold and chilly winds blow during the winter and also causes a lots of trouble, especially in the snowy areas. Cold and chilly wind blow during the winter, where in snowy areas they causes a lots of troubles. Hot wind is called Loo. It is in summer days in North India and extremely difficult to bear, but it is a cold wind or chilly wind blow during winter. It's in snowy areas. It is a very trouble. It brings a lots of trouble. Now clouds. On some days we notice a lots of clouds in the sky. These cover the sun such that lesser sun rays reach us. Such days are cloudy days, are generally pleasant and cool. Clouds. On some days, in the beginning of rainy days, we see clouds in the sky. On some days, we notice a lots of clouds in the sky. These cover the sun. Clouds cover the sun such that lesser sun rays reach us. These clouds covers the sun and such that lesser sun rays reach us. Such days are called cloudy days and generally pleasant and cool that day. Do you know most clouds appear white like a puffed up cotton? Such clouds are called cumulus, and dark clouds bring a rain are called nimbus. In clouds, two types are there: cumulus clouds and nimbus clouds. Most clouds appear white, puffed up cotton, just like a puffed up cotton. That clouds are called cumulus clouds or cumulus. And dark clouds that brings rain are called nimbus. Now see rain. Rain always cool the earth. Rain always cool the earth. Clouds that become heavy, brushed, bring a rain shower. Farmers are always concerned about rains since their crops get directly affected by rainfall. Crops need a certain amount of water at specific time of the year. Three-timed shower causes a great damage to crops. Too much rain causes flood, while lack of rain causes drought. They are natural disasters and always affect the lives of people in a very serious manner in the form of death, destructions, damages. The first shower of rain in the summer make the weather cooler and pleasant. Rain. Rains always cool the earth. What did rain? Rains always cool the earth. Clouds that become heavy. How rain rains. Clouds that become heavy, burst and bring a rain shower. Farmers are always concerned about rain since their crops get directly affected by rainfall. Farmers depends on rain to grow crops. But crops need a certain amount of water at a specific time of the year. Third time showers causes a great damage to crop. Too much rain causes flood. Too much rain causes floods, and while lack of rain causes drought. They are natural disasters and always affect the lives of people in a very serious manner in the form of death, destruction, damages. The first shower of rain in the summer make the weather cool and pleasant. The first shower of the rain in the summer make the weather cool and pleasant. Understood, no kids? How wind, clouds, rain, sun affect on weather. In the next video, we are going to learn season. Okay? Now see, find out which place in India receive a maximum annual rainfall. This one will see, we solve that one, will learn that one in the exercise time when we solve the exercise and activity also. Until you read the lesson, learn the all new words. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.